Hey good people, welcome back to Shifting News, an amazing channel with great views and wonderful videos. Thank you to all our returning supporters. Your support means a lot to us. Always keep coming here to view more videos. And to our new visitors, make sure you join this family by subscribing. That is the support we request from you. And always keep coming back, hit the notification bell, and we'll always make sure we bring new videos to you. And today I'm just here. The road you're seeing that has the traffic jam, that is this is the official start of Naivasha Road, and ahead that is Ngong Rd. As you head to town, far there that is the Junction Mall. And in this video I'm joined with one amazing guest. You haven't seen him, but he's today here. Let me allow him to introduce himself. Karibu sana.
Okay, thank you guys. I'm Kelvin Akech, and today I'm going to take you around Nairobi. So we are going to take you around Nairobi. Feel welcome. Watch our videos and subscribe to make us grow. So we are starting here our journey. Hope you can join us as we proceed with our journey.
Thank you, and I hope our viewers, you can see he is the CEO of today. Seems you have made some rounds around Nairobi.
Yeah.
You understand Nairobi very well.
Yeah, I understand Nairobi.
So
Just on my fingertips.
Today that seems to be amazing. You will take us around, tell us the history of some of the roads.
Yeah.
So basically we are going to start with James Gichuru Road.
Yeah.
I need to start where it starts up to where it ends at Nairobi Expressway.
Yeah.
So officially it starts where?
It starts on Kingara Road. Yeah.
Oh.
Kingara Road, you join. There is a road called one road called the one that normally comes from town. Then James Gichuru
Road.
Yeah, Gitanga Road. It starts immediately. You know, at times these names normally disappear
because there are many.
Yeah, but when you reach there, you can see them.
Okay.
So first, we are on. This is Naivasha Road.
Yes.
Immediately, this is Ngong Rd.
Yeah.
These are here you can see this is where these guys of weather normally.
Meteorological.
Yeah, meteorological used to be here.
They mentioned about are they the ones who mentioned about El Nino?
Yeah, they are the ones who mentioned about El Nino.
Na mimi yo El Nino sijaiona bado.
So immediately we go to Ngong Rd, then we join Kingara Road, then Kingara Road we'll just cross that
Shifting News.
Then immediately
explore,
James Gichuru.
feel,
okay.
shift.
So guys, you have had a short tour of what we are going to do. So make sure you join us in this trip. Watch this video until the end. Make sure you like it, comment, and keep watching. Peace. So we are now from Naivasha Road. We are joining Ngong Rd. But immediately you said you are going to?
Immediately join Kingara Road.
So it starts here at Junction Mall.
Yeah, Kingara Road starts immediately here. And you can see it's a well-maintained road.
Seems ni mtaa, si mtaa ya kila mtu.
Yeah, actually this is Lavington. Yeah, here we are in Lavington. Yeah.
Lavington comes up to Ngong Rd.
Yeah, it starts here. Like this is Riara Road now. So you cross Riara Road as you proceed on Kingara Road. Yeah. Naona hata imefagiliwa iko.
Na hiyo mteremko nayo.
This one you must have a good car. Like here, don't follow either Citiopa, gari ya maji too close.
Hey,
because ikifika hapa hii mlima iko somehow steep.
It becomes a menace.
Yeah.
Inaweza rudi nyuma.
So as a driver, you will keep also distance. Safety first.
You know, sometimes they say those rules.
Yeah.
People just read them, but they don't apply them.
Yeah, you don't assume anything. So we are still in Lavington.
Seems Lavington is so large.
Yeah.
So both sides, on the left, on the right?
Yeah, it's still in Lavington. So we are still crossing. This is Mbazi Road.
Oh.
Yeah.
Can someone come to get a house, one bedroom, a bed sitter, these sides?
Yeah, you can find, the economy changed. So the big houses were converted into AirBnBs, into one bedrooms. Yeah, so you can find one depending with your pocket. Yeah. So now,
yes,
this is Kingara Road. So immediately as we cross,
yes,
we start on James Gichuru Road. Yeah. But James Gichuru is still on Lavington. So as we are crossing here now, this is James Gichuru.
I'm seeing one day I'll come to stay in Lavington.
Yeah, it's possible. Nothing is impossible.
But I don't know what are the rent rates.
Ranges up to 150,000 for like a 2-bedroom. Then it goes to very spacious, the old model, the townhouses. Like if you zoom around, you can see these are just townhouses. There are not that so many flats around.
Yeah.
They are townhouses. But the guys are intruding in this area to start
coming with
building.
Apartments.
Yeah, coming with apartments.
Okay, can see. Is this a mall?
Yeah, this is a mall.
Oh, it's now still in construction.
Yeah, it's still in construction.
Hey, it has a wonderful design.
Yeah. Then you can see the environment, very cool,
very green,
very fresh, very green.
The trees, just the ambience tells you it's like you're just in your own world.
Yeah.
Away from Nairobi.
Not very far away. Almost.
you know, most people always think that Nairobi is just noise.
No, it's not noise. You can see here, even matatus, there are just a few here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Most people here normally use their own cars or taxis.
Oh.
Yeah. Even there is like this one is where these white guys come and enjoy their evenings. Then on James Gichuru is where the Ipson is. Ipson. These are guys who normally...
Oh, statistics.
Yeah.
The ones who do surveys.
Yeah, then this one you can show them. This a social house. Yeah. Then on James Gichuru we have Lavington Mall, which is the oldest mall, I think.
In Lavington or in Nairobi?
I think in Nairobi is one of the oldest malls in Nairobi. Even you can see how it was constructed is an old
model.
Yeah.
And if you go consider the, like, let's say maybe items, the prices, you think the prices are uniform? Maybe if you go to places like Kangemi, the supermarket there.
Most people who are living here, the supermarkets, I think the prices are nearly the same, because we have Naivas here. Also in Kangemi we have Naivas, so their prices are almost uniform. Yeah. And remember, it's raining, guys. You can come and buy flowers, plant trees, and make Kenya green.
Even your home, even those who have homes, they make their places green.
Yeah, they make their place green. So this is now the Olenguroni Road. This one on our right.
Where does it head to?
This one heads up to Yaya Center, those areas of Kilimani.
Kilimani, Kileleshwa.
Yeah. So you just go as you continue with the James Gichuru.
So most of the time we have covered James Gichuru Junction during the construction of Nairobi Expressway.
Yeah.
But I was wondering, where does it start? So that's why I decided today we need to do just to see where James Gichuru starts
Okay.
and where it ends.
Yeah, it starts on Kingara Road, going up to Uhuru Highway. Oh, it's called Waiyaki Way.
I think Waiyaki Way.
Kingara to Waiyaki.
Though from James Gichuru roundabout,
Yeah,
they call that James Gichuru Road.
yeah, Rironi Road.
I think nowadays it is expanded.
Yeah.
When you are driving there, you don't experience a lot of traffic snarl-ups.
There's no traffic. The government is really trying. So on James
The
Gichuru-
previous government or the current government?
No, the previous one is the one which constructed.
Yeah.
So the current one is just making a continuation. Then on James Gichuru we have certain schools. Like this road goes to St. Mary's School.
Oh,
Yeah.
I think that is where our former president school.
Yeah. Also we have a Strathmore School, not the university.
Oh, we also have
I have
police for security issues. So that means this place is very safe.
Muthangari police station.
The weather this side, the environment, just amazing. The jacaranda trees, it reminds me of Kenyatta Avenue, mostly in the early years.
Yeah,
There used to be
so
many of them. And before the oncoming of Nairobi Expressway,
Yeah.
even Waiyaki Way had a lot of
Yeah, it's a lot of trees. I think it should be planted back.
where they planned on the road, on the top of the road.
Not on the top of the road, down there.
And
You
how
know-
will they grow?
They can plant it on the besides.
Yeah, I think that makes the environment clean.
Yeah.
And maybe there was a conference held some years back,
And I hope you
no,
attend
some
it.
months, about
like,
the climatic
climatic summit.
years.
Yeah. Hope you attended and gained some little knowledge.
I didn't manage.
Yeah.
I think I don't know. I don't know why I didn't go.
Okay.
I don't know.
Next time you have to plan.
Next time I will go. So I don't know why it was held in Africa and specifically in Kenya, when most of the industries that experience such things like global warming to the extreme, they are not based in Africa.
You know, they normally say Africa is Kenya is the heart of Africa, so we don't know if it's true.
Or are we funded to plant trees so that the other people can just do their release without maybe considering the effects to the environment?
I don't think if we are really funded. That one I'm not really sure.
So there seems to be traffic snarl up along this road.
Yeah, there is an accident there. Yeah.
So how far are we from the James Gichuru roundabout?
Yeah, like 250 meters. Yeah. And this James Gichuru is around 4 kilometers from
Gitanga Road.
Road to James Gichuru roundabout. Yeah, it's roughly around 4 kilometers.
And I think Nairobi has a lot of road network.
Yeah.
Lakini tu mahali penye nini sasa Mombasa Road,
Yeah.
I think ndo ina panya routes mingi.
Yeah, like this road, it has so many panya routes.
Cause unaweza connect to Ngong Rd
Yeah.
bila hata kwenda Tao.
Even though you have come straight,
Yeah.
there are so many panya routes you use, then you change James Gichuru. If you feel there is traffic, you can avoid traffic by using those panya
Yeah.
routes. Yeah. Even there is a school here called Loreto Muthangari. Yeah.
Is it a girls' school?
No, it's just like this called IGS.
Yeah. They
IGS
offer
is
international.
international curriculum. Yeah.
The environment is
Now you can see how quiet it is.
So there seems there was an accident here.
Yeah. So you should be very conscious when driving. Don't use your phone. Just focus, observe traffic rules. Then all will be well. Like you see, this guy is this Prado.
Yeah.
Then I don't know if this guy is still alive. Oh yeah. So sad. It's a sad day.
Hey. That's so unfortunate.
So we are approaching James Gichuru roundabout, and on that roundabout, if you proceed straight, you'll find yourself in
Ngiri.
Kingara.
You use the Red Hill Road.
Link Road, Westland, Red Hill, Westland, Ring Road.
And I think these roads are very smooth.
Yeah, they are so smooth. Street lights are there, well maintained. Now we are approaching
The roundabout.
yeah.
So our video will be ending here.
Yeah.
So guys, thanks for watching. You can always give us your comments. Tell us what you think about the road, the estate, how we have gone round. So make sure you like this video, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to ensure to receive all updates once we upload a new video. And remember, we have been with
I'm Kelvin Akech.
Where can people find you?
You can find me on Facebook. I'm called Waida. Also, I can find me on TikTok. I normally do road trips. Yeah.
And on YouTube?
No, YouTube, I'm thinking about it. But soon I'll join since my friend will introduce me.
I think that is the first step we are going to do.
Yeah.
Yes.
So soon you will see me.
Great.
Okay, thank you.
So bye for now. See you in our next video.
Shifting News. Explore, feel, shift.